Good evening, everyone. Let me give a very big wishes to the all women who present here. A very wish to all the women, and we wish you all the success and good health. Okay, so I will be the round robin for today's section. This is the section where you enjoy the most, and it has its own uniqueness because the normally speeches start when you're about to speak, when the words are comes through your mouth. But here it's not the case. Here the speech starts with the last word uttered by the previous speaker, which means you all will be given 30 seconds and you all have to start your speech from the last word uttered by the previous speaker. Let me repeat the rule. There are two rules. Number one, you have to start from the last word uttered by the previous speaker, and you all will be given 30 seconds. Within the 30 seconds, you all have to structure your speak and you have to deliver. Okay, the topic is, let me clear about the topic. So, how many of you know about the India? Right, everyone know, right? Which is our neighbor country. It has several states because the central government cannot control every geographical area. So they divided the state, and one of such state was called TA, Tamil Nadu, where 70 million people are living. So in 1989, when the ruling party presenting the budget, there was a one lady who opposed the budget, and she known as a Iron Lady in India. Because of that, because she has the resilience and she has the strong mindset to recover from the challenge. When she opposed the budget, the people who supported the budget got affected, and they started misbehaving with her. They throw some books towards her and they throw some chairs toward her. It all happened in the parliament. It's not surprise because we witnessed something similar in 2022 in Sri Lanka. Same thing happens to one single lady. She decided to somehow step out from the parliament immediately. As she took the last step, she turned back and said to those leaders, if I were to return again, I would return with the authority, which means Chief Minister in Tamil Nadu. Soon after that, she became the uh, first lady prime chief minister in Tamil Nadu, and she entered into the parliament in front of those leaders who wanted to remove a political journey. So, as you know, my topic is something that you admire the most from her. It can be a characteristic, it can be a personality, or it can be a good quality. So now I'm going to start the round robin section. So this section goes like zigzag manner. We are going to start from YouTube West. You are the luckiest person. Shall we give the preparation? Okay. So you all will be given preparation time. You can note down what you are going to deliver. Let me repeat the topic again. The topic is the something that you admire from her the most. It can be a personality, or it can be a characteristic, good quality, or it can be a good characteristic. Uh, she can be anyone from your close family circle, or the someone who inspired you the most. Okay, David, can you? We are limiting ourselves within the three categories: personality, characteristic, and good quality. But those qualities are we are written down or we copied from our mother. We can't limit a good quality or good personality within the three terms. We observe that from her. So yes, we obey. Again, I'm wishing for all the very success. This is a Women's Day, not Mother's Day. Again, I'm wishing. Yeah, let me hand over my